I really like the AIPRM press release prompts because the value proposition for small and medium-sized businesses is really clear. Using a prompt saves time and money because there's no need to hire a PR service to write the release. The prompts help people write a draft in a couple of seconds. I emphasize draft because you should never trust the AI to write 100% clean, complete, and accurate copy in the first go. Now, before you start, you'll need to feed the AI machine some company or product data so that it can generate a good release. For example, Dateline, which is the location of the story. Now, be sure to include a quote from a company executive or some customer responses. While editing the release, you'll want to add a company logo and boilerplate with your address and contact info, as well as a media contact for press people who want to ask questions. So here's how to run the prompt. Log into ChatGPT and on the AIPRM dashboard, click the Public tab. Go to the search field and enter Maximize Your PR Strategy with the Ivy Lee style. Select the prompt and go to the Input field and enter the formatted text. Click the Send Message button. Review the prompt. You'll likely need to generate multiple iterations with more specific instructions. Click the Send Message button, review, and edit. Now here's an option. Once you finish, send the press release to news sources in your community. You can also distribute the release through your social media sites like Twitter or X. Or use wire services like PR Newswire or Business Wire. That's it. Now you know how to write a press release with AI PRM.